Good morning, class. Today the topic is call by reference. In last turn we have understand what is call by value method. In call by value method, the value passed in call by reference method, here address is passed. In call by reference method, we pass the address instead of constant value or variable. This method is also known as call by address method. When a function called with reference, the formal parameter becomes address. This function does not create its own copy of original value that is affected to the original state. Let us understand what is call by reference with an example. The example is example of call by reference method. We take the example of swap two values with using third variable. For making the program, firstly we return our header files, that is hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. In C++, in C we return these files, and in C++ for that we return hash include iostream.h and hash include conio.h. Firstly we make the function, that is data type, function name and parameters that are pointer type and pointer having the address. This is the function header. After that we use main, then we return two variables a and b. After that a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. A equal to 10 and b equal to 20. Then we use clr function which clears the output screen. After that we give the message with the help of cout or printf. Before swapping, then we print the value. Before swapping we print the value of a and b, %d, comma a, b. After that we use the function. That is swap address of a and address of b. This is call by reference method where we call the address where value are stored. Then we print after swapping value of a and b Then we return control goes to the main function. After that, we return the definition of swap, that is void swap pointer p and integer pointer q. After that, we open the body of the function and take a variable, that is t equal to pointer p, pointer q, and pointer q equal to t. This is the concept of swapping. We can swap the value with this concept. So, for making this program, firstly we declare the header files, that is hash include stdio.h and hash include iostream.h. After that, we use next header file, that is include conio.h. After that, we return our function header, that is void swap integer pointer, data type, function name and number of arguments. After that, we return main. Then we take two variables a and b, integer type, and we assign 10 in a and assign 20 in b. Before swapping, we print the value of a and b, that is 10 and 20. Then we use swap function called by reference method. Print after swapping the value of a and b, that is 20 and 10. The concept of swap is, firstly we take a temporary variable, that is t equal to pointer p equal to pointer q, and pointer q equal to t. Then we swap the value and we use swapping concept. So we give the PDF of this topic already, call by reference, and you understand call by reference method with the example. Thank you, class.